Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick review of the Endosnake. I've been waiting for, I've been waiting for this. They actually sent it quickly. I thought the price was certainly fair. This is a great tool for me to have. I can use it for engine repair, firearms. So anyway, I'm going to fire this thing up here and boom, there it is. There is the firearm. Now I'm going to go down the barrel. Well, I'm sure this would actually go down a 22. It's so tiny. And it has 6 tiny LED lights. And look at that. You can see every scratch. That little black thing right there. If I were concerned that that was a crack or something, I could pretty much see it. And then you can take a photograph. Boom, there's the photograph. So anyway, that's my review for today. It's a great product. Thanks for watching.